Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. After that, scroll a little bit more down, and here you'll see the developer options section if the developer options are activated. And now, just to hide the developer options here, you should just click once on the switcher, and as can you see, a lot of all of the options they are blocked right now. And now just when we'll go back here to the settings menu, and if we'll click again to the additional settings, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our XIAOMI device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.